Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to edit AI portraits in Fotor AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to edit AI photos or like portraits in Fotor AI, then all you gotta do is simply go to Fotor AI. Once you're in your Fotor AI, all you gotta do now is simply upload your image to the AI agent or editor. Then you can use text prompts for specific changes like adding makeup or changing outfit, or use built-in tools for one-click enhancements. AI can retouch, upscaling, background changes, or removing objects. Getting detailed results by being clear in your description is a must. So, by following this simple and easy way, you can simply edit your low quality pictures into a high quality, high resolution, and different kind of AI photo in your Photo AI. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.